Universal Social Pension for Senior Citizens, bakit po todo ang suporta ng NCSC para dito at ano po yung pangunahing benepisyo nito para sa ating mga senior citizens?
Well, you know that currently we have the Social Indigency Program, which is being handled by DSWD. And that is mandated by law, of course, na yung walang-wala sa buhay, sila dapat yung susuportahan. However, with an aging population that we have and understanding that there are a lot of loopholes in the giving out of the Social Indigency Program, ninabuti ng mga mambabatas natin na magkaroon ng universal social pension, which is cutting across all borders. Meaning to say, may trabaho, wala, may pensyon, wala, may pinag-aralan, wala, may sakit o wala. That you should be able to give, to be provided for. Una. Pangalawa, naniniwala kami na kapag may perang hinahawakan ng ating mga nakatatanda, nakakatulong din sa ekonomiya dahil meron silang panggastos. So everything, just goes back in a cycle in terms of building that economic ecosystem natin.
Sa tingin nyo, gaano kalaki po yung tulong ng pagkakaroon ng Universal Social Pension sa welfare ng ating senior citizens, lalo na po yung mga nasa probinsya?
Yeah, malaking tulong yun sa kanila. Kasi kahit papaano, buwan-buwan, alam nila na may matatanggap sila. They can allocate that. Do you know that the culture of the Filipino families, yung ating mga older persons, nagbabantay, nag-aalaga ng mga kabataan, the grandkids, no? And it would help, especially in providing kahit na kukonti man lang itong amount na to. But the psychological effect and impact of you having the capacity somehow to be able to help out in the family's needs.
Yan, maganda po yung sinabi nyo na kailangan po ma-feel ng ating senior citizens na relevant at productive citizens pa rin sila. So ma'am, handa na po ba ang NCSC na mag-take over from DSWD in relation to yung social pension at ano po yung kakailanganin in terms of the transition at saka yung pagpapalit po ng skills at saka know-how?
Naku, napakaganda ng katanungan mo, Asek, and we want to thank you for this, no? Alam mo, there has been a transition already from the time of 2022, bago pa ako naging commissioner ng NCSC. There were already talks about this, but then it is provided for by law. So, ibig sabihin doon sa Memorandum of Agreement na pinirmahan, nilagdaan ng dating mga namumuno sa DSWD at NCSC, sa taon ng 2025, there should have been a transition. NCSC has been preparing for that. They required certain, qualifiers na dapat ma-comply namin for the transition. And I believe NCSC has that already, the capacity. And this is classic, no, na naipakita natin. The expanded centenarian cash gift, yung ating binibigay na 10,000, that's a litmus test on our capacity to deliver, the social indigency program pag nailipat sa atin.